What's up, guys? Welcome back to Fish Over Chicks Woodworking. My name is Peter, and today we're talking about 3 products that are super useful. And after making all these and filming this video, I realized most of them are scrap wood projects, so that's awesome. So yeah, these are 3 projects that you need because they're going to make your life easier. So let's just jump into the video. Alright guys, the first project we're talking about today is a shoehorn. Now shoehorns are really great for taking your shoes off. If you don't know what these are, let me show you. So guys, as you can see, very easy, useful project. Basically all I did is I ripped down a 2x6 to be a little bit smaller than a 2x6, and then I cut out this U shape right here. I guess it's more like a V. And then I've got a 1x1 piece from another 2x6 just right there, so that'll give it that off-center right there. Super easy project. It was definitely a scrap project. Just one, easy, I don't know, like 12, 15-inch piece of 2x6 that I wasn't doing anything with. So great project, and it's super useful around the house. All right, the second project we're talking about today is a magnetic key ring. So I know it looks like a regular piece of wood, but let's take a closer look at it because the way it works is actually pretty cool. So I know what you're thinking, how in the world could this one piece of walnut be a key holder? Well, there's a secret to it. In the back, we've got magnets. So basically, I drilled a few holes, placed a few really small magnets in there, and then I made these really tiny, nifty keychain things that has a magnet in it. Basically, all you do, magnetize it right there, and bang, you've got yourself a little magnetic key holder. Super cool, super sleek. You'd never know it's a key holder if you put it up on your wall somewhere. But yeah, so you've got magnets all 4 places. Yeah, so it's really cool and super easy project. Also a scrap project. All you need is some little magnets and some scrap hardwood. So key holder, magnetic key holder, awesome project. I should just call this the scrap project video because all of these are scraps. So let's move on to the next one. Alright guys, the third project we're talking about today is a bedside organizer. So the bedside organizer is something that me and John made a few weeks ago. He actually uses it every day in his college dorm. It's perfect to put anything like wallets, cell phone, keys. He's got a pocket knife in there. So let's get this on the table and let's show you how it works. So this is the bedside organizer. Really great project. It's pretty big. It's about 10 inches by 12 inches, I believe was the final height we made it. And then it is about 1 inch deep. I really like this project because you can just throw all your stuff in it. This is what John uses, as I said, fits all of his stuff perfectly. You got room for more, and it just kind of keeps things nice and organized. Again, this was also some scrap wood me and John found in my walnut scrap bin. So actually everything here today is scrap wood projects that are really fun and easy to make. So this is a really great project, like I said, super cheap, super useful. So yeah. Alright guys, so the first project that we're talking about today is a shoehorn. 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 So shoehorns are a really great project. Shoehorn. So shoehorns. Now bedside organizer. Shit. A shoehorn. Shoehorn. Oh, well. Magnetic key holder. Oh. Alright guys, the first project. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, comment down below any other videos you'd like us to make, and we'd be more than happy to make them. So until next time, thank you for watching.